What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you for stopping by the channel as always. As you guys will see in a second, the 9th gen is under the knife tonight. It'll probably be like a 2 or 3 part video. The action clutch that is in there has been in there for about 2 years now, and it decided to take a poop on me coming home from Cars and Coffee on Sunday. But I'm not gonna lie, we were kind of doing some Mexico things on the way home. But it's okay, it is what it is. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get to it now. I'm gonna start dropping it. I'll probably set you guys aside and let you guys watch it. Also look forward to a few other mods that are gonna go on the car while the car is taken apart. So yeah, see you guys in a minute. So as you guys can see, I have already moved the intake and the intake box, shift cables, the harness from the top of the tranny, the slave cylinder, and now I'm gonna go ahead and jump underneath, start unbolting the subframe and the rack and pinion and the rear lower mounts, and go from there. Alright, so if you guys watched the last video, you would hear me mention that I was gonna work on the car because I had an exhaust leak. Well, I couldn't really find it, and I knew the downpipe was cracked. I just didn't know exactly where it was cracked. Well, we found it, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, we found it. So it didn't just crack. It broke at the flex pipe. Literally came apart at the flex pipe. So, yeah, I'm gonna most likely fix this, possibly. Either way, I'm gonna save this for when I do the turbo kit. I'm gonna use this to do the sidewinder. So yeah, catless 3-inch, that's gonna have to be fixed. Subframe's out. Look at that. Subframe's out. So, those of you that don't know how to take the subframe out, there's 4 bolts that hold the rack and pinion up. Obviously, you're going to want to tie that up somehow like I did. I use 2 bungee cords, you can see, that are strapped to the back and ran up to hold the rack up. And then you unbolt the 4 main bolts, which are 17s, is 1 in each corner. And then there's a 14 on that top bracket that you see sticking up there, and another 14 on that top bracket you see sticking up there. You're gonna unbolt those 2. And then there is 3 17 bolts on the lower part of the control arm, or the lower part of the hub, that you see right there. And then same thing that you're going to see right there. Go ahead and unbolt those. And then if you don't have somebody here to help you, obviously use 2 jacks or something that you can lower it down safely with. Alright, so sorry for the slightly shaky video, but I'm solo dolo. I don't have anybody here with me. So yeah, intake manifold's off. Training's completely unbolted except for the top mount right here, which I'm going to unbolt now. And then go underneath. Subframe is out. I left the axles in the hubs. I just unbolted the half shaft, slid it out of the tranny. Did the same thing on that side, slid it out, pushed it out of the way, slid out the tranny. And now, I probably should call for some help, but I'm gonna do this solo, unfortunately. Yeah. So, wish me luck, guys. Well, as you guys can see, tranny is out, and yeah, I don't think that clutch is supposed to look like that. You can see all the material down inside of there. So we're gonna pull the pressure plate off now and go from there. So after looking a little further inspection, the throwout bearing most definitely caught on fire. Most definitely caught on fire. Yep. Well, there's the clutch, guys. And yeah, it's done. I would say there's a little meat left, but there's something definitely going on with it. There's not much there, I'll tell you that though. There's the pressure plate, definitely a couple of hot spots. I'm pretty sure that's from when it tried to lock up on the way home. I guess it got really hot and it binded right there. That's what I'm assuming because it was smoking. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and send the pictures over to Action now and see what they want to do. But yeah, I'll let you guys know, keep you guys informed. This is probably gonna wrap up this video, and it'll be installing the new clutch and some other parts for part 2 of this video. So as always, thanks for stopping by the channel. Make sure to like and subscribe, drop a comment if you have not already. And yeah, if there's anything that you would like to see, make sure and drop a comment on that also. And if there's anything you want us to change up, maybe we can do that also. And yeah. Oh, if you want a shirt, make sure and DM us on the official 0 to 60 Instagram. See you guys around.